My name is Thomas. I'm the CTO of Seraphin. Seraphin is a broker, so an insurance broker. What we do basically is sell insurance, almost all of them, to a lot of clients in Belgium. What I was doing before, actually I was working in the building of ING. So I was working in one of the technical team in the bank, mainly on developing new solution for payments. But I was not one of the technical guys. So meaning I was working with a lot of tech guys, but that was something that was missing in my life. I wanted to find out how things were working. So that was the first reason why I was looking actually for a bootcamp. But why Le Wagon? Le Wagon was actually the perfect choice because it matched both of my needs. First the technical side, but also the entrepreneurial one. What's impressive at Le Wagon is that in 9 weeks you can actually learn the first steps of coding. You're able to create a project on your own. So you have a lot of opportunities thanks to Alumni. You have a lot of projects and startups that are created by guys from Le Wagon or students actually in Le Wagon at the time they are studying because they need the skill to develop something themselves. They have an idea and they are looking for the skills to develop them. Le Wagon helped me to join the position I'm in right now, and also of course the company Seraphin itself. The previous CTO was an alumni of Le Wagon, and part of the developers that we have right now in the team are also from Le Wagon alumni. We were looking for those two skills that Le Wagon actually provides in the students is this entrepreneurial mindset. Because it's in its DNA, the student that comes at Le Wagon, they are a little bit entrepreneur, and of course they're looking for technical skills. And so those who actually want to code after Le Wagon, well, they have exactly what we need. At the beginning of a company, it's perfect because you have people that actually can do a lot of different stuff. They're ambitious and they want to learn. So that's what a startup needs.